How to change Converge Wi-Fi password. Open your web browser on your computer. Type this in the address bar. Check the back of your Converge router for the default username and password. Enter the username and password to log in. Once you're inside, go to Advanced. Go to WLAN. Look for 2.4 GHz basic network settings and 5 GHz basic network settings. Under each network, find WPA pressure and key. Enter your new password for both, or choose only one to change. Click Apply. The router will restart, and you can now connect using your new password. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.